In today's video, I'm going to teach you some tricks on how to calculate or evaluate negative exponents with fractional bases. Okay, so I'll review all the tricks you need to know to do that. So here we have 1/9 to the power of -2, and we need to write our answer without exponents, it says here. So let's just review again. So s to the -n is the same as 1 over s to the positive n. Okay, that's all it means. So now we could rewrite this. Okay, so now we have 1 over 1/9 to the 2. And this 2 is positive, okay, in the denominator. So now we just need to remember our rule of how to divide fractions like this. We just use keep, change, flip. So we could rewrite this as 1 divided by 1 over 9 squared. So here we can apply this power to 1 and to 9 separately, okay? Just to make it a little bit easier to look at and to work with. So now we could do keep, change, flip. So we keep the 1, we change this to a multiplication, and we flip this, right? 9 to the 2, power of 2, over 1 to the power of 2. Well, now it becomes very easy to evaluate, right? Because 1 squared in the denominator is just equal to 1, so you don't even need to show it. And then 1 times anything is the anything. So we're just left with 9 to the power of 2. So when you calculate that out, it equals to 81. And that's it. That's how simple it is. And this is a nice, easy graphic for you to look at and to remember. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. If you need extra help, you could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.